Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Been sick as a dog last week. This is my first day back out. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. We're in Harlow today repairing some new Kia. Can't pronounce the name of it, I'll show you when we get there. We've got some front bumper corner damage to take care of. As soon as I get over there, I'll show you the motor and we'll go from there. We're recording on the GoPro today. Hopefully the audio's good and the picture quality should be good. Doing this in 5K, so yeah, should be alright, apart from the mount that I've bought to put you up there. Epoxy thing. I'll do a video on my phone to show you it, but you can only kind of mount it sideways. So I've got this quick release system for my handle, my tripod, and I've got a little magnetic and clampy thing, but you can't have the camera straight, it has to go sideways. So you either have to clamp it up like that or have it upside down on something to face you. This doesn't move. You can either unlock it or lock it and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think of something else for you now when I'm trying to record. It's really weird, but yeah, we've got tripod, we've got everything we need. Let's go and make this customer's car nice again and get you a video together. See you in a moment. There we go guys, little Kia. Don't know if you're going to see that. Someone scraped it across the top here. Not mega damage at all, but it's the lady's new car. Obviously she's gutted and she wants it sorted. So yeah, let's mask off what we don't want to sand and flat this out and take care of this damage. Right, I just finished cleaning it up and the marks actually go into the wing, and this one here you can get your nail in. So I just showed the customer and she wants me to blend the wing as well. I'm gonna, before I prep this, I'm gonna go over this with a bit of 2000 and see whether this is savable or not. But I can definitely get my nail in that scratch and it's not looking promising. So let me just try that and we'll crack on. Yeah, as I suspected, it won't come out. I just 2000 the other mark off. We've got a mark in here and then a scratch through there that's gone right through. Okay, let's get this prepped. Let's get it ready for paint. Guys, the whole thing's prepped out, ready for paint. We're going to dust some primer in there, flat that off, unpeel this sheeting, and then we're good to go. It's quite windy today, not like obscenely windy, but I think we'll be fine. Let's get a bit of UV primer dusted around this repair. We'll take the brown paper off, flat that down, and we're ready to paint. See you in a bit. paint made, we're all wiped down, ready to go. The wind is getting worse, so I'm going to whack you on time lapse because you're just going to get bad wind noise here. Ready to go, just warming up the panels, just knocked up the clear. We're going to use my Fuji MPV8 for this one. It's got a factory peel on this one, so the Fuji, I've found I can replicate these peels really well with that Fuji gun. I've got to do a full review on the gun. Today's not a review, but we will get to it. It's a pucker gun. Yeah, I'm going to get cracking and yeah, let's do it. that Fuji. Oh, bloody wasp on the thing, get out of it. Lovely factory peel on that. Turn my timer off. Yeah, let's get this cooked. It's actually come out very clean, to be fair. There's a couple of nibs, but I do want to polish it, make it look nice. Let's get this dry, see you in a mo. Here we go, guys. All buttoned up, gave you a little polish. I wanted to keep that peel the same throughout the car, so I didn't go nuts. It was actually quite clean. We didn't need much. Yeah, come out nice. It's the first time I've painted that. The paint code on that's called UD. It's called clear white, believe it or not. Right, let's get packed up. I'll speak to you in a moment. Right, guys, that is officially jobbed. Customers over the moon. Car looks really sweet. And we are pulling off. Oh, home time today. I've been, did I say, I can't even remember if I told you, but been sick as a dog all week. I still ain't right. I've been blown out my arse, excuse my French. I just feel rotated, like flued up or congested up here. I'm a lot better than I was, and yeah, just, I mean, it's only 1 o'clock, so 9, 10, 11, 12, what, 4 hours, so not terrible for a wing and a bumper corner. Yeah, obviously the wing wasn't part of the job, so where we cleaned it down and it was scored through, I showed the customer and explained. I said, like, what do you want me to do? I discounted it, and she was like, oh, how much to do it now, sort of thing. So I just sort of charged her another 150 quid, which is cheap for a wing, really. So yeah, I just added that onto the job, get it done, and yeah, the outcome is very good. Everybody's happy. So yeah, that Fuji lays down lovely sort of factory peel, how I like for these kind of cars. I'm running the 1.2 setup in that. I've got a 1.3 and a 1.2. 1.3 is fine as well. It's a bit of an animal compared to the 1.2, but I don't have problems with laying down flat clear. Some people struggle. Some people are, you know, really good at laying down a glassy finish, but not every vehicle requires a glassy finish. But I found that if you've got an Audi or a new Merc with loads of peel, then I'd recommend running that Fuji with a 1.3. And if you've got something with still a factory peel but more of a medium peel, running it with that 1.2 is identical. It's flawless. Full fluid, full fan, off you go, and 2-bar pressure, and it just produces a beautiful match. So that's what I chose to do, and yeah, come out sweet. So I'm happy, customers are happy, and that is all that matters at the end of the day. If the camera's at a funny angle, I apologise. I've got it clipped up here. I was supposed to show you these clips. I'll try and take a picture of that, put it in this video, but I want to get this video up tonight for you guys, because I don't think I posted anything last week. I honestly can't remember. I was so not with it, but yeah, we're all good. We're back on all cylinders. Let's go. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.